Wondered how traditional braces work to straighten teeth? Let's break it down. Traditional braces are a highly effective method for correcting misaligned teeth and improving overall oral health. The brace's placement appointment begins with cleaning and drying the teeth to ensure proper adhesion. Next, a special bonding adhesive is applied to each tooth, and metal brackets are carefully positioned. A high-intensity light is used to harden the adhesive, securing the brackets in place. Once the brackets are set, an arch wire is threaded through them, serving as the main force that guides the teeth into alignment. Small elastic bands, or ligatures, are then placed around each bracket to hold the wire in position. Over the course of treatment, patients return for regular adjustments, typically every 4 to 6 weeks. During these visits, the orthodontist tightens or replaces the arch wire to continue applying gentle pressure on the teeth, gradually shifting them into the desired alignment. Once the teeth reach their ideal positions, the braces are carefully removed, and a retainer is provided to maintain results.